the word right there. My God.
Listen. Hold that for me. Thank you. Listen, church, you cannot allow anyone to impose on you who you are in Christ. You can't allow anyone to force their vision on you, Pastor Martinez. You can't allow anyone to distort your vision.
Yes.
The Bible talks about it. I'm going to read my message because I want to say what God said.
Yes.
The Bible talks about in Mark 1 and 34 how Jesus healed the sick and cast out the demons. And after he cast out the demons had the nerve to want to have a conversation with Jesus.